Nung pinakain ni Jesus yung 5,000 na katao, maraming sumobra doon. No? And nabanggit sa Bible kung ilang basket yung sumobra. So how many baskets yung sumobra after niya pakainin yung 5,000? Gamit lang yung 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread. Hello, today we have Bro Jappy. Tropa to. So tetest din natin yung knowledge niya about Bible. So we have 3 questions for you, brother. First question. Um, Book of Revelation, nagsulat nun si John. Saan island niya sinulat yung Book of Revelation?
Patmos. Sa Patmos.
Island of Patmos.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Final answer. Final answer.
Patmos is correct. Alright, second question. Puro lugar tayo, puro lugar.
Sige.
So si John, kay Paul naman tayo. Saang island naman na shipwreck or nasira yung barko na sinasakyan ni Paul? Anong name ng island na yun?
Maltas? Di ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko. Maltas?
Maltas.
Maltas.
Maltas, wow. Good job. Maltas is correct.
Tama.
Yep. Yeah. Correct, tama. Well, third question. New Testament pa rin. Nung pinakain ni Jesus yung 5,000 na katao, maraming sumobra doon. No? And nabanggit sa Bible kung ilang basket yung sumobra. So how many baskets yung sumobra after niya pakainin yung 5,000? Gamit lang yung 2 fish and 5 loaves of bread.
12 baskets. 12 baskets yung natira.
12 basket. Basic, guys. So 3-0. That's the correct answer. Good job, bro.
Thank you, brother.
Anong tawag doon sa first 5 books sa Old Testament? Hello, brother. Anong name?
Ako po si Jerome.
Jerome. Nice, Jerome. I'm gonna ask 3 questions from the Bible. Kapag sinagot mo, meron kang free Bible. Okay? Okay, first question. Sino ang unang hari ng Israel?
King Solomon. Ay, no, sorry. King Saul. Saul.
King Saul is correct. Galing. Good job. Muntik na, Solomon.
Sorry.
David sumunod as Solomon.
Anak pala ni...
Yes, but King Saul is correct. Second question. Anong tawag doon sa first 5 books sa Old Testament?
Anong tawag sa kanila?
Genesis, Leviticus.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers.
Hmm.
Anong tawag sa 5 books?
Yes. First 5 books in the Old Testament.
Sorry, hindi ko alam.
Letter P.
Anong tawag? Genesis, Exodus. Sorry, I have no idea.
Pentateuch. From the word penta. 5. Pentateuch. Pentateuch. Yeah. Ngayon mo lang narinig ko. That's Pentateuch. Yung first 5 books in the Old Testament. Sige, New Testament naman tayo. Name the 4 gospel books in the New Testament.
Gospel. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John, Acts. Ay, tama po ba?
4.
Matthew, Mark, Luke, John.
Correct. Matthew, Mark, Luke, John. Yun yung gospel. Eyewitness account ng buhay ni Jesus. Good job, Jerome. You have Tagalog version Bible. Congrats.
Thank you po, salamat.
You're welcome.